Let's start designing gym thumbnail. Bring any gym background and apply dot exposure with -3 value and clip with background. Bring lines background and put dot blend mood to screen with low opacity. Bring main object in center and adjust it. Take new layer, make it black and put blend dot mood to screen and clip another empty layer. Take gradient map and make for dot shades of green and clip with other 2 layers. Click on empty layer and start brushing with white foreground color behind object. Make copy of highlight layer and dot put above the object. Take brush with low opacity and dot start brushing above the object. Take smudge tool and start adjusting the highlight. Make a black rectangle and dot hold CTRL to change its shape. Make it to copy of rectangle and dot make it small size. Write a text with font brightness inverted. Make another white rectangle. Write a text with font rack bold ITC. Make a copy of white rectangle and place dot behind it and press down and right key for 5 times. Make a copy of both rectangle and place yellow dot behind it and press down and right key for 5 times. Write a text with font rack bold etc. Take a new layer behind object and start brushing to make a shadow look. Thank you for watching.